Welcome to apartment 1007 at 515 Clarkson. This is our B3 floor plan, 1,008 square feet. As you walk in right off the bat, you'll have your entryway closet here. This guy is about 4 feet wide, 2.5 feet deep here. Working our way through towards the dining room, living room area, you will have this full working fireplace here. And then otherwise just a very large general kind of dining room, living room area to work with here. Now you will have this breakfast nook area here with cabinetry and drawers there. Kitchen on our right hand side, and then we do have this massive balcony to work with as well. Nice thing being up on the 10th floor, you do get an amazing view all the way from downtown through west, and this is a southwest apartment, so you do just get a really just great wraparound view, tons of natural light throughout the day. Balcony is accessible from both the kitchen and the living room. Working our way through, you'll notice we do have a ton of just general cabinetry to work with here, as well as a ton of just great production counter space. All brand new appliances. And then you do actually have a gooseneck farm style sink there. Working our way back towards the bedrooms, we'll have the spare bedroom straight ahead. Attached windows, so you do just get beautiful natural light throughout the day. You'll have an attached walk-in closet to work with as well. And then this apartment in general, the spare bedroom here would have no problem accommodating any size mattress. Working towards our secondary bathroom here, you'll have this massive linen closet, head to toe here. Great shelving options. And then just great countertop space as well. Stand-up shower in the corner. The nice thing is this is detached from bedrooms, so if you are entertaining guests, they don't have to go to your bedroom to get to the bathroom. Working our way in on the master bedroom. Definitely spacious enough to handle any size mattress, whether it be a king, queen, whatever you're bringing with you, in addition to nightstand space here. Now towards the bathroom, we'll have closets on both the right and left-hand side. Give you a frame of reference here. This guy in particular is about 5 feet wide and then 2.5 feet deep on both sides. Bathroom attached, tons of just general countertop space here as well. And then you will have the tub with the shower attached as well. Now again, this is apartment 1007, our B3 floor plan at 515 Clarkson.